morning, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Good evening, sir.
Now, the next PC case, and we found out that apart from this fan, there's another fan here missing, and that fan should cool up the motherboard. So we've gotten another one I removed from another system, so we are going to connect it to this one and then see how it works. So, okay, how many? Okay, 3 ports, so definitely it's going to be on that side. Yes, can you do that? Put it on that side. Are you sure the 3 pins are inside? Yes. Now put this on this. Yes. Is it tight? Yes. Let's shift it. Alright, let's see how we can. It's not tight. To me, I don't feel comfortable with that. So let's see how we can, screw that. There's no screw there. Cooling fan. So we want to test if it's going to work. I'm connecting it. Can you put it on from there? Yes, it's blowing down. So you can see it's rolling. As you see that fan rolling, let me disconnect so you can see the fan will stop. Can you see? It has stopped working. So the moment I put this in, it has started working because power has entered into the system. Now I checked to confirm if it's blowing upward or downward, and I've confirmed that it's blowing downward, which is the right way. So I'm going to couple up this computer together, this PC together. So the young man here is going to do that. He's going to assemble them together. We've assembled them already, just to couple the cases and then see how it's going to work. Alright, go on. So that's the casing. Turn it. Now you're going to put the AC power plug. You're going to put the serial cable, which is VGA. That's going to connect the CPU to the monitor. So you can power up the system like that, and let's see how it goes. I got my own. To cut it. Don't worry about it. I'll cut off the rubbish that is there. This monitor. Okay? But before that, we want to make sure. You don't need to restart it.
You brought an option the other time.
Yes. I saw it. You are supposed to click enter. The moment you added. Alright, go on. It's going to move from there. not able to achieve. At least we fix the phone. So let's fix this. Now this is the hard disk drive, HDD. Now this hard disk drive, if it's bad, if a sector inside of it is bad, it will not allow you to load your computer properly. It will be very slow and it will be hanging. So you need a bigger one. So we've gotten another one. So we've got a 500 gigabytes, and then we want to connect it now, and then we'll see how it works. So there's not much to do. Just remove the old one, and then you put a new one. What? That's the old one right now. It's tricky. Now I want to format the hard disk drive in order for it to be able to boot properly. Okay. This is a HP Pavilion. Right. This one is a flash laptop. So yeah, removing the old hard disk drive. This is also the RAM. As you can see, this is DXR2. We have DXR3, DXR2. This is DXR2. Oh my god, I made a mistake. What's DXR? After we have done transferring it, we are going to format, and then we are going to load a new operating system on it, and then it can work with the hardware perfectly. So, charger. Let me see. Charger. Of the system. Okay, I think we share that brush. In order for it to be able to boot properly,